Welcome to Blended Learning tutorial. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to use the Blended Learning course. You will receive a web link through email. Just click on it or copy paste this email link into your web browser. When you open this link, a page will open. In this shape. So actually this is our skeleton module, and this module is divided into 4 major themes: human skeleton, bone tissue, the axial skeleton, and the appendicular skeleton. But in this module we will only discuss these two objectives: number 1 human skeleton and number 2 bone and tissues. So if you want to learn any objective, just click on it, scroll down, here is a press next, so it will take to your desired objective. So here is a video, you just click on it and video will start. And if you want to see the full screen of the video, just click on the button YouTube. So video will open on the YouTube. You can watch and learn the things from this video. After watching this video, come back. So now you want to learn the second objective, that is bone and tissue. Again press, then next. So here are the bone and tissue objectives, and there are the some sub objectives of this topic. Number 1 is types of human bone, structure and function of bone, histological features of bone, reading material, learning activity, and self-assessment quiz. So firstly press on the first objective and then next. A new window will open. Same, here you have a video, you can watch it. Come back, and same, here are the two other objective, structure and same like the histological feature. Here is a reading material, press on reading material, then next. So here I attached, so here is a link of downloading link, just press. Here is the complete notes of skeleton system. You can download by pressing this button. Okay. So wait for the complete downloading. Now again back. When you go through the all video and reading material, there is a learning activity. If you are using your cell phone, so you need a Adobe Flash Player and Puffin web browser. Otherwise this activity will not open in your mobile. But if you are using laptop or desktop PC, then you don't need any extra software. Just click on link, it will direct you the specific website. So here is your activity. Now you have to match the column epiphyses like this. you can use this activity. Okay, when you have finished your activity, so here is an other activity, skull bone anatomy. After completing the activity, come back. Now here is a self-assessment quiz. Just press go next. So click on the link. So a bone and tissue MCQs will open. You have to mention your name and student ID, and there are a very simple and short MCQs. These are not much difficult. When you have completed, then submit. Okay, this is a short tutorial. I hope learning will be easy and learning will be very attractive. So guys, if you have any comments, you can give your feedback. I will make a column of feedback.